Hello students, welcome again. Now today's topic will be refractive index. Very important topic regarding refraction. That means another important topic regarding refraction, that is refractive index. As I told you earlier as well, it is denoted by two terms. It can be n or it can be mu. Okay. According to Snell's law, we have learned what is refractive index. According to Snell's law, we know that sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is coming out to be a constant term. Is coming out to be a constant term, constant which is known as refractive index. Okay, and I told you earlier as well. What is the cause of refraction? The cause of refraction is just actually the speed of light. Okay, the speed of light is causing refraction. Refraction कैसे हो रहा? Because the speed of light is changing from one medium to another. जब एक मीडियम से लाइट दूसरे मीडियम में जा रही है तो उसकी स्पीड में चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, जिससे वो अपने जो पाथ है उससे हट जा रहा है. वो लाइट उससे अपने पाथ से हट जा रही है. So this is so here we will learn कि refractive index on the basis of speed of light. That means refractive index is actually the ratio of the speed of light in two different mediums. Okay, let's look at this diagram. Let's suppose there are two mediums. Let's suppose it is air, it will be known as medium 1, and another it is glass, medium 2. Okay. Now light is traveling from here. Light is traveling from here. When it go to the another medium, जब वो दूसरे मीडियम में जाएगी तो वो अपने पाथ से बेंड हो जाएगी. Actually the path has to be this, but it bend from there. It will be known as normal. Okay. And it will be known as refracted ray. It will be known as incident ray. Let give it a name A, O, and let's suppose it is B. As I told earlier, air is a rarer medium and glass is a denser medium. Okay. As I told you earlier as well, rarer medium, the light travels fast because the particles are far away from each other, and in denser medium the particles are closely packed. Then the speed of light in denser medium will become slow. उसमें क्या बन जाती है? Slow हो जाती है. So let's suppose from A to O, when light goes from A to O, that means it will remain in same medium. वो same medium में रहेगी. So let's suppose it is traveling with the speed of v1. Okay, और I told you earlier as well कि जब तक वो सेम मीडियम में है, it travels in a straight line और वो अब सेम स्पीड से ट्रेवल करेगी. And when it goes from O to B, that means in different medium, as it enters through the different medium, it bends from its original path. This is refraction. So O से B, let's suppose the speed of from O to B is v2. Though the medium is same, so here it is not, the speed is not changing again. O से B तक भी वो एक ही मीडियम में है तो वो स्पीड चेंज नहीं होगी. So actually, as I told, what is refraction? What is the cause of refraction? Actually, the cause of refraction is the change in speed. So we have another formula of refractive index based on speed of light. So what is refractive index? Refractive index is actually the ratio of speed of light in medium 1 to the speed of light in medium 2. Okay, speed of light, the ratio of speed of light in medium 1 upon speed of light in medium 2. This is the new formula regarding refractive index. Okay, let's suppose. So, what is the definition for refractive index? The refractive index. So, refractive index is the ratio of speed of light in medium 1 to the speed of light in medium 2. That means दोनों मीडियमों के स्पीड ऑफ लाइट का रेशियो ही रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स कहलाता है. नाउ इट इज अ रिलेटिव टर्म. रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स अ रिलेटिव टर्म. रिलेटिव टर्म मीन्स कि the value is coming out to be the refractive index of medium 2. In this case, the second medium is glass. So refractive index is of glass with respect to air. It is a relative term. यहां पर ग्लास का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स आएगा विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एयर. ग्लास का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एयर आएगा. दैट विल बी नोन एज इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट स्पीड ऑफ लाइट in air, because the mediums are air and glass, upon speed of light in glass. ग्लास का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स आएगा विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एयर. सो इट इज अ रिलेटिव टर्म. सम वेयर इट इज रिटन लाइक दिस एंड सम वेयर इट इज रिटन लाइक glass, the refractive index of glass with respect to air. Okay, or somewhere it is with the help of numbers, medium 2, medium 1. So it will be medium 1, it will be medium 2. So refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1, like this, or refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1. बिकॉज इट इज अ रिलेटिव टर्म. जो इसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स बताती है किसकी रिस्पेक्ट में? एयर के रिस्पेक्ट में. तो ऐसा तो नहीं होता कि हर केस में एयर और ग्लास ही मिल जाए. कहीं पर डायमंड होगा. इन सम वेयर द केस विल बी वाटर ग्लास, ग्लास एयर एंड डायमंड ग्लास. मूविंग फर्दर, इन रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स फाउंड. फर्स्ट इज absolute refractive index. Okay, very easy it is. When light is traveling from air to another medium, the value is coming out, the value of refractive index is said to be absolute refractive index. Okay, when light ray travels from vacuum to another medium, the value of refractive index is said to be absolute. Okay, let's suppose two mediums are there. Air should be there. In absolute refractive index, air should be the first medium, air and glass. Okay, let's suppose two mediums are there in which one should be air or vacuum. Vacuum here up to 10 air is known as vacuum. Air or vacuum is same. So it is glass with respect to air. Two mediums are there, medium 1, medium 2. So here what is to be understand in absolute refractive index, when light ray travels from vacuum to another medium, the value of refractive index is said to be absolute refractive index. That means the medium 1 should be क्या होना चाहिए? Air होना चाहिए. So let's suppose the value of refractive index in the case of GA, that means glass with respect to air, is said to be absolute. Let's suppose the formula will be V velocity, that means speed of light in air upon speed of light in glass. Okay, numericals आते हैं इसमें. So let's suppose the second medium, the another example. Let's suppose diamond with respect to air, or you can say diamond. The refractive index of diamond with respect to air. Somewhere it is written like this, somewhere it is written like this. Here as well, the refractive index of glass with respect to air, because the refractant is a relative term. जो दोनों की स्पीड का डिफरेंस हमें बताती है, तो that's why it is written like this. So here it will be speed of the speed of light in air upon speed of light in diamond. Okay, so here you can see the refractive index is coming out to be diamond. जो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स आएगा वो किसका आएगा? डायमंड का आएगा. जितना रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ज्यादा उतनी में उसकी स्पीड कम. एक्चुअली द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स टेल्स अबाउट द ऑप्टिकल डेंसिटी ऑफ अ मीडियम. उस मीडियम की ऑप्टिकल डेंसिटी के बारे में बताता है. डेंसिटी स्टैंड्स फॉर वो कितना घना है, कितने पार्टिकल्स जो है नजदीक हैं. सो जितने पार्टिकल नजदीक होंगे, क्लोजली पैक्ड होंगे, स्पीड उतनी धीरे उसमें जाएगी. सो एक्चुअली एंड व्हाट इज ऑप्टिकल डेंसिटी? ऑप्टिकल डेंसिटी की लाइट उसमें कितनी, लाइट के लिए कितना रास्ता है उसमें. सो दिस इज ऑप्टिकल डेंसिटी. दिस यू विल लर्न इन द हायर क्लासेस एज वेल. व्हाट इज ऑप्टिकल डेंसिटी? ऑप्टिकल स्टैंड्स फॉर लाइट. लाइट के जाने के लिए कितनी डेंसिटी, लाइट उसमें आसानी से जाएगी. जितनी ज्यादा वैल्यू होगी रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स की, उतनी स्पीड क्या होगी? कम होगी. ओके, सो द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन दैट मीडियम. जितनी वैल्यू ज्यादा डेंसिटी, दैट मीन्स रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स की, उतनी स्पीड कम उस मीडियम में लाइट की. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, जितनी ज्यादा वैल्यू होगी रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स की, उतनी स्पीड क्या हो जाएगी? कम हो जाएगी. जितनी स्पीड ज्यादा होगी तो यू शुड नो, आपको पता चलना चाहिए कि उतनी डेंसिटी क्या है, उतना रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स का क्या है? कम है. लेट्स सपोज द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ ग्लास इज 1.5. द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ ग्लास इज 1.33. इट इज ऑफ ग्लास, इट इज ऑफ वाटर, एंड डायमंड इज कमिंग आउट टू बी 2.42. The refractive index of diamond is coming out to be 2.42. Since the refractive index is highest in diamond among all three, diamond की जो refractive index है is highest among all three. So light will travel slowest in diamond. Okay, because it has a maximum optical density. सबसे ज्यादा ऑप्टिकल डेंसिटी है. That means light के जाने के लिए उसकी डेंसिटी ज्यादा है. तो ज्यादा है तो उसमें उसकी स्पीड क्या होगी? कम होगी. एंड इट इज द लीस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स. द वैल्यू ऑफ म्यू और एन इन द केस ऑफ वाटर इज 1.33. तो दैट मीन्स इट हैज द लीस्ट वैल्यू फॉर रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स. सबसे कम वैल्यू वाटर की है. तो द लाइट विल ट्रेवल फास्टेस्ट इन वाटर अमंग ऑल थ्री. Okay, now second type of refractive index is known as relative refractive index. Now in every case air is not a medium, और ऐसा हो भी नहीं सकता कि हर केस में एयर ही मीडियम हो. तो when light ray travels from one medium to another medium, where one medium should not be vacuum or air, then the value of refractive index is said to be relative refractive index. Okay, so definition will go like this. When light ray travels from medium 1 other than, you can write, other than air or vacuum, okay, to medium 2. When light ray travels from medium 1, that is other than air or vacuum, it should be other than air or vacuum. अब in every case air नहीं हो सकती, air or other नहीं. In the case of air, it should be known, it is known as absolute, and in the case of other two mediums, in medium 1 should be other than air. So it should be known as relative refractive index. The value of refractive index is known as relative. The value is relative refractive index. Now let's suppose one thing I told कि the medium should not be vacuum. Okay, so let's suppose the medium 1 is diamond and other is let's suppose glass is there. So it will be known as medium 1, it will be known as medium 2. So the value will comes out to be the refractive index of diamond with respect to glass, or you can say refractive index of glass with respect to, diamond with respect to glass will be speed of light in diamond upon the speed of light in glass upon speed of light in diamond. Okay, let's go another example. Let's go to mediums are water and glass. Medium 1 is water and medium 2 is glass. Okay, so the refractive index of glass with respect to water, the refractive index of glass with respect to water comes out to be the speed of light in water upon the speed of light in glass. So this is all about the types of refractive indexes.